Hello traders, are you looking for a powerful and easy to use trading platform? Well, cTrader is actually a top choice for Forex traders, offering advanced charting, fast execution, and an intuitive interface. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download, install, and set up cTrader step by step so you can start trading with confidence. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading guide. All right. First of all, let us download cTrader from a trusted source. Okay. So let's try cTrader download. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the cTrader website. Okay, so you can actually download the cTrader from your broker's website based on what we can see here on the cTrader's website, or you can also download the demo version. So if you want to trade with your broker's server, whatever broker you are using, and maybe you want to use cTrader to trade on your broker's server specifically, then you can just go to your broker's website and then look for the cTrader download link, and you use your broker's cTrader's download link to get the cTrader's software. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, let us just download the demo version from cTrader.com. Okay, let us, okay, where is it? All right, so this is cTrader for Windows, using the Windows operating system. So let me download the cTrader for Windows. All right, okay, I'm just going to run the setup immediately. All right, it has finished downloading. We are running the setup. We are running the setup already, because you can see here the cTrader platform has downloaded. I have downloaded the setup file, so I'm running the setup right now. Oh, it seems like the platform is still downloading. Okay, so let's just give it a few seconds and it is going to be done. So basically, you can use the cTrader site. As you can see, this is app.ctrader.com, so you can use the cTrader site as well, right? You can use the cTrader site as well for trading. You can see buy, sell, limit, stop, and all of that. But if you want the software itself, if you want the application itself, then you can go ahead to download it. All right, but even without downloading it, you can still be able to use the web version. You know, see, this is the web version, right? The web version of cTrader. So you can still use the web version for your trading. Okay, now let's just check this. All right, I'm just going to pause the video and play it back once this completes downloading, and then we are going to proceed into we're going to proceed into, logging into the cTrader and, you know, just going about it for a few minutes. All right, guys, so the download has completed. The cTrader has finished downloading, and now we're about to get into the platform. We're about to get into the application, and you can see the cTrader is launching right now. The application is launching. So basically, once you are done downloading the cTrader application, then you can of course you have to choose where you want to install your cTrader. If you have a separate disk, you select which disk you want to install your cTrader. But once you are done with the whole installation, then this is the cTrader platform right here. Once this has opened, if you already have an account, you can just log in with your details, your email, your password. But if you do not have one, you can go to create cTrader ID, and then you can type in your email and your password, or you can just use Facebook or Google to create an account. So for that purpose, let me just be using Google. All right, guys, so I just signed in using my Gmail, my Google account, and you can you can either use your Google account, or you can use your Facebook to sign up. And here we go. So now we are right in. Okay, so basically you can you can decide to customize your your settings, your charts, and all of that. You can okay, here we have different pairs. This is a watch list. You can, if you want to add any of these assets to your watch list, you can do that. Okay, these are all symbols. There are a lot of symbols available on the cTrader platform. So if you have any particular symbol in mind that you want to trade, you can just come right here and select whatever symbol that you want to trade. You can add, you can see anyone that you select is gonna be loaded right here. And then if you want to add to your watch list, you just have to click on this star button. This star button that says add to watch list. You can just click on that, and then okay, when you are ready to trade, you can just maximize any of these, right? You can maximize maybe a particular asset. Okay, let me use a currency pair, for example. Okay, let's talk about Euro JPY. Okay, so this is the cTrader platform. Let's say you want to trade on Euro JPY. You can see this is the chart. You can see that this is the the button. If you want to sell, if you want to execute a sell trade, you can just click on it right here. If you want to execute a buy trade, you can just click on it right here. But currently the market is closed because I'm recording this video during the weekend. So but when the market is open, of course you could be able to execute your sell and your buy trade accordingly. This is where you set your lot size, right? You can see you can adjust your lot size, and you can see that cTrader is quite a nice platform in that as you are adjusting the lot size, you can see that the platform is telling you the pip value. You are seeing the pip value right there, right? If you are unsure what the pip value is for 0.6 lot size, you're going to see the pip value right here. You can see the trade value for buy, you can see the trade value for sell, you can see the required commission. Even before executing your trade, you are already going to see all this information right there. Okay, so you are aware of the you are aware of the commission even before executing your trade. You are aware of your estimated buy margin, your estimated sell margin, and your available margin. All right, so all this information are made available for you even before executing your trade. Okay, so cTrader is quite a nice platform. Okay, so basically we have successfully downloaded and installed the cTrader platform and even signed into it, and just looked at a few things concerning the platform. So if you are a new trader on cTrader, if you are new to the cTrader platform, you can actually start with a demo account, just like I did right now. You can see this is actually a demo account, and yeah, so get familiar with the platform first before trading with real money. So that is it, guys. You now have cTrader downloaded, installed, and set up to start trading. Yeah, if you want to customize your charts, of course, you can see background image, color options. You can actually customize all these if you want to change the color for your candles, or if you want to change the background color, you can do that. You can see the background color. This is for the background color, this is for the foreground, yeah, and all of that, the bull candle, the bear candle, and all of that, right? So basically using the cTrader platform is quite easy. Yeah, it's not hard to navigate at all right? So if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more trading tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more trading content. Okay, comment below if you have any questions about cTrader. So comment below if you have any questions about cTrader, and let me know what other trading topics you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.